Hey y'all, so today I'm going to show you how I take down these Bohemian locks that I've been having for 3 weeks now. Now I know you might think that 3 weeks isn't a long time, but honestly I just can't keep protective styles in for longer than 3 weeks to 4 weeks because my scalp just starts itching no matter what I do. I do have a takedown video for my box braids, but this technique is a little bit different because the way they were installed is a little bit more tedious than box braids. A lot of people say, oh, they still look fresh. I know they still do look really great, and Chorianne, which is my braider, she did a great job at these, and she's the one who always does my box braids and my Bohemian locks. Excuse me if I'm a little out of breath. I am very much so pregnant, if you did not know, and I'm like really winded right now. Let me know in the comments down below, how long do you keep your protective style in? I'd like to hear your thoughts and your comments because, like I said, I have a really big issue with just not being able to keep them in for very long at all. So without further ado, let's get started.
Okay, so here is a single lock, and the first thing that I'm going to do is start unraveling the lock extension by untwisting it in the opposite direction until I find that braid in the middle. And that braid in the middle is actually my hair with a piece of free tress on the end. So I'm just going to separate the two pieces, and once I get them separated, these are the two pieces, the lock extension and my hair. And as you can see, it's anchored onto my actual real hair. So I have to remove that free tress hair first. I'm kind of measuring out to see where it ends, and I just kind of remove that slip knot and it falls right off. Then I'm going to start unbraiding my hair. And as you can see, there's pieces of extension hair in it. That curly hair, that's extension hair. I'm just going to keep unbraiding it until I get to the end. And then I'm going to go ahead and pull out that extension piece. And here it is. So that was one way. Now I'm just brushing through my real hair to make sure that it's detangled as I go. And as you can see, it feels so good. And I'm going to show you another way of how to do it. I basically unravel the hair from the ends to the roots, and then I separate the braid from the lock extension. And here's my hair. And you can see the two separate pieces. Now I'm going to cut that extension hair and just simply take the rest out like that. That's the easiest way to me. And I just do the remaining steps. I remove the slip knot and remove that free tress hair from the ends. And then I'm going to start unbraiding my real hair. And I just do this with a comb. I find it to be easier, and it's kind of detangling my hair along the way. And there's the rest of the hair. And it's as simple as that. So I'm just going to continue that same exact method. Once again, untwisting the hair, finding the braid, cutting the extension hair, pulling that extension hair out. Like I said, this is the easiest way for me. Removing that free tress hair and then unbraiding my real hair. Now, as I said, there is a piece of extension hair within that braid, so you don't want to just go ahead and cut anything. You want to make sure that you're combing it all out and being careful, because you don't know where your hair ends really. And then I'm just going to comb it through to loosen up that buildup, and of course it feels super good to have that free. But to make sure that the buildup is all gone, I'm going to take the Shea Moisture Braid Up and Take Down hair detangler, and I'm going to apply that to my hair. It's going to soften it and loosen up that buildup. This is one of my absolute favorite products, tried and true, whenever I'm taking out a protective style, because it just softens the hair instantly and removes that nasty buildup that is caused just by sweat, product buildup, dandruff, you name it. When you have a protective style, it's inevitable to have this no matter what you do. So after about 2 hours or so, I'm done and my hair feels so light and so free, and I'm just ready to clean my scalp. So once again, I'm going to take the Shea Moisture Braid Up and Take Down Hair Detangler, and I'm going to apply that all over my hair to ensure that any excess product buildup is removed. And I do this also to remove any excess shed hair. Now my hair is going to shed throughout the washing process, but I want to make sure that I don't have any excess because that can cause major tangles. So from here, I'm going to co-wash my hair first, then shampoo, deep condition with heat for 20 minutes, and then continue with my regular routine, such as a flat twist or something like that. You can also refer to my how to remove box braids and build up video that I did last year. Check it out. I'll leave a link for you to click on so that you can get a more in-depth view of how I remove my box braids. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Peace.